Welcome to the Airsoft world. Now we are demonstrating the assemblies of Shrike machine gun conversion kit. Including outer barrel, handguard set, M1913 Picatinny rail plus 2, metal upper and lower receivers, metal hop-up chamber, minimum magazine. All you need is a simple tool to finish the assembly. Step 1. Metal upper receivers assembly. First, install the hop-up chamber on the interior barrel, then into the outer barrel. Then install the Generation 2 gearbox into the upper receiver, same as the M16 series instructions. Step 2. Metal lower receivers assembly. After assembling the upper and lower receivers, install the front and rear fixed pins. Make sure the metal upper and lower receivers are well connected. Then install the grip and motor. Step 3. Connect the battery and install the stock. Connect the battery power card, then place the battery into the handguard. Then connect the handguard and tighten the screw. Install the stock to finish the assemblies. User can choose their own preference spot stock to install on this Shrike machine gun conversion kit. With the fully loaded BB bullets, user can enjoy the 3,500 round powerful shooting performance. The 2-step M1913 Picatinny rail includes in this kit. User can adopt any sight or laser system freely to fit on the rail.
Left 5 rudder, right 5.